In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Xbox Remote Play on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up and play games remotely through your iPhone. In order to do this, first you will head over to the settings of your actual Xbox console and go into the Devices and Connections category. Now go to Remote Features, and in here make sure that remote features have been enabled. This option needs to be enabled for you to do remote play using the app and your console. Once you have these remote features and play to streaming good to go on the actual Xbox console itself, now using the Xbox app, sign into your account and tap on this icon at the top right corner of your screen. Upon tapping here, you will be guided on how to register a new console to the app. So if you have never linked your console to the Xbox app, you will get instructions on how to do so. Once the console has been added, it will appear on this list like this. So you can give it a custom name, you will see the icon at the left, and all that you have to do is choose your specific console and select Remote Play on this device. Now it will load immediately as long as the console has been powered on, and you will see the touch controls. Of course, if you prefer, you can connect your controller wirelessly to your iPhone and use it instead for remote play. This will usually be done by going over to the Bluetooth settings, enabling Bluetooth, and then pressing the sync button on top of the Xbox controller. Once it has been connected to your iPhone, it will be used instead of the touch controls. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.